If you have been waiting for DJI to revamp its ultra-compact, palm-sized lineup, I have good news. Industry insiders and prototype leaks point to an official late 2026 release date for the highly anticipated DJI Neo 3. While previous models captured hearts with their grab-and-go simplicity, leaks suggest this upcoming iteration is stepping things up massively. Today, we are breaking down the rumored release timeline, massive sensor upgrades, flight time bumps, and whether this can fend off fierce competition from brands like Hover Air. Let's kick things off with what creators care about most, the camera. Early specs indicate that DJI is ditching the smaller half-an-inch sensor found on past Neo models in favor of a significantly larger sensor. What does that mean for you? Better low-light performance, richer dynamic range, and cleaner overall footage straight out of the box. Add in rumored support for 10-bit D-Log M color profiles and enhanced HDR recording, and you suddenly have a tiny palm drone that yields professional-grade grading flexibility for your short-form social media and YouTube content. Flight performance is getting some love too, thanks to refined motor efficiency and optimized power management. Leaks suggest the Neo 3 could squeeze up to 24 minutes of flight time per battery. While it's still not going to challenge massive flagship enterprise drones, stretching past the 20-minute mark on a literal palm-sized aircraft is a massive win for casual creators who hate constantly swapping batteries mid-shoot. Safety and connectivity are also seeing major leaps. Older Neo editions leaned heavily on basic forward and downward sensors, but rumors point toward a brand new tri-directional sensing system. This makes autonomous tracking and indoor flying significantly safer for beginners. On top of that, text inside the reports suggests a jump to DJI's O4 Plus video transmission technology, potentially unlocking a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers in ideal open environments. That brings entry-level flying uncomfortably close to the capabilities of much more expensive gear. Competition in the lightweight creator category is hotter than ever, with rivals like the Hover Air X1 Pro series pushing boundaries. But DJI's software ecosystem, tracking algorithms, and robust flight tech remain tough to beat. If the DJI Neo 3 drops in late 2026, holding on to an aggressive entry-level price point, it could easily claim the crown as the best budget drone of the year. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would a larger sensor and 24-minute battery life convince you to upgrade? Or are you sticking with what you fly now? Hit that subscribe button for more breaking tech leaks. And as always, keep creating. Peace.